Right. What we had today was a preliminary hearing in Roane County General Sessions Court in front of Judge Terry Stevens with both the defendants that were arrested yesterday, Michael Anthony Gray Sr. and his wife Shirley Gray. The charges that were outlined yesterday, the especially aggravated kidnapping charges relative to two of the children, the aggravated child abuse to the same two children, aggravated child neglect to those two and a third child, and then the abuse of a corpse to a dead daughter of this family that was found. It was discovered in the backyard in a barn, actually in the early hours of Saturday morning. And so obviously that begs the question about additional charges relative to how that child died and who's responsible and how for that child's death. As I stated in the press conference yesterday, we're waiting on some further analysis and testing of the skeletal remains of what we believe to be a daughter, minor child daughter of the family. The information was gathered in an initial investigation, an interview with the father, Michael Anthony Gray Sr. As I conceded to the court in the bond hearing, they had been cooperative with law enforcement up to the point of arrest. But they have no ties to the community other than the 4 years they've lived here, no family, and with their children being in custody and have been in custody with the Department of Children's Services since the bodies were discovered there early Saturday morning. Actually, they went into custody initially Friday evening. There's no real reason for them to stick around with charges of this nature hanging over their head as outlined in the press release. If convicted, especially of the A and B felonies, they require mandatory day-for-day service on significant prison terms. And then also with the potential pending murder charges, obviously waiting on the testing results to confirm what we need to bring about those charges.